me and my friend, we have put a stall organized by the Entrepreneurship Club. This is a practical project which is given by our club so that we can experience the world and how the business works. So the experience is quite good. We are getting a lot of customers and we are excited. We also get a lot of knowledge from this, like how things are planned, how the market goes on, how to maintain the accounts, how to calculate the profit, the expenses, all the organizing, managing the rush that happens. We get to experience all of that. There is a lot of pressure, but while doing the job, it is quite fun. So this makes everything fine and well.
Hello everyone, my name is Sakario and I'm from class 11 Commerce and we are experiencing the practical work of buying and selling of things, and we're making food and we're having a lot of fun when we're managing like accounts. We're doing practical of accounts and doing practical of entrepreneurship, business and everything. Let's have a fun with them.
How you were getting the response from the customers?
By calling them and by doing marketing, and especially we do for borders because in boarding we did not get enough food like this kind of food, so we are especially made for borders and our pricing is less. We are not doing for profit, we're doing for fun and enjoying. So,
Yeah. And what are the things that you display in your stall?
we display like mojito, Sinju and Chipto against the full nachos, and we are trying to sell it in less price because of our brothers and sisters from borders have to get the things stuffs, and we're making